Brother, can you please help me with my assignment?
Okay, no problem. Tell me what the question is.
Explain what an abstract noun is with examples.
Is that all?
Yes, brother.
Okay, an abstract noun is the name of a quality or attribute of an abstract thought or emotion which cannot be touched or seen with our naked eyes.
Exciting. Please tell me more about it.
Please turn down the volume of the radio set first. Okay, great. In other words, abstract noun does not have any material existence. Nevertheless, we believe that something is bearing so.
I think I'm all right with the meaning of an abstract noun, brother. Can you please give me an example of an abstract noun?
Examples of abstract noun include truth, settlement, character, joy, correction, wisdom, knowledge, happiness, patience, health, death, beauty, obedience, poverty, etc.
Thank you very much, brother. I really appreciate this.
No problem, Doyen. You're welcome. It's time to go to bed. Make sure you sleep early.
Okay, good night, brother.
Yeah, good night.